What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Thursday over here, my third and probably final post for YouTube today. On this post, I'll be talking to you guys about Mina and see what's going on in this market. It is at a critical point. Would it break lower, or could it actually get a pretty good bounce from here? Gonna be taking a look into some different scenarios that could happen here. Some upwards, downwards price targets, as well as some key levels to be paying attention to for this coin to go either direction. I'm going to be giving you guys my personal opinion and sentiments on this overall crypto market as a whole later on in this video, so make sure to stay around for that. However, I am not a financial advisor, nor am I an elite trader of any sorts. None of this is financial advice, even though I am a profitable trader who's managed to keep most of my profits during the last bear markets. But I am looking to crush it here for the next bull cycle. So if you guys feel the same way, do hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into this chart here. So we do have Mina currently at about 38 cents, which is basically all-time lows here, or very close, okay? This is the weekly time frame. As we can see, we had a falling wedge pattern, which is usually breaks the upside, which it did, where it looked like it broke to about 52 cents. And then before coming down all the way down to about currently, well, before it was at about 35 cents from what I can see here. Okay, 35 cents area. The measure move. Okay, this pattern, this breakout here is still very much in play, in my opinion, because it is not uncommon to see price action to break out of a falling wedge pattern and then forms a double bottom pattern. Okay, in my opinion, this is still a double bottom until it starts breaking these this previous low here, right? About 35 cents. And then in my opinion, this double bottom is invalidated. This falling wedge will probably be invalidated as well. Okay, unless we really want to lengthen the upper trend line and the bottom trend line of this falling wedge pattern. But in that case, you could still try to rechart this into another falling wedge pattern if that fits, okay? That's what happens when price action breaks out and breaks down. It invalidates the pattern. So in that case, you rechart the candles and see what the market is giving you then, right? You have to constantly watch the markets and refresh your charts because, patterns get broken and you have to just refresh it and see what else could be in play. What other scenarios are in play in this market. Now, let's take a look into the measured target of this falling wedge pattern. It's a pretty long shot here, right? Because it broke out and we have a double bottom. But if the price action is able to pull this off, if the bulls in this market are able to pull this off, I see a measure move of about $1.17 area. Okay, measure moves are estimated or estimates only. Okay, it could be over under, and it does not automatically get there. It could take some time to play out. Obviously, if you guys see this, it has broken out quite a few weeks ago, and it's nowhere near the price target, right? So in order for this price target to play out, I do think that the 35 cents area does have to hold. And also, in order for this double bottom to hold, the 35 cents has to hold. If you continue breaking, then we could be looking at another chart here. Then we just have to rechart this pattern and see what we're looking at instead, right? Let's take a look into the daily time frame just for just to zoom in and see if we can get a pretty good idea of what could go on. So on this daily time frame, we do have a smaller falling wedge as well, right? It's gonna start here. Okay. All right. Sorry, I'm a little bit OCD with my trend lines. If I can connect 3 candles, I will. Now, if the price action was to break out by tomorrow, I'm just saying it doesn't have to, but it's just for an example, so I can get a measured target. If the price action was to break out by tomorrow, for example, so I can get a measured target, I get a measured target of about 42 cents. That's the breakout of the smaller falling wedge pattern, right? I think this would be a pretty good idea to let me know if this double bottom on the weekly time frame is still intact, right? Because falling wedges typically break to the upside, okay? Not absolutely, but typically. So let's see if this actually breaks out and keeps this double bottom pattern alive on the weekly time frame. Quite a bit of moving averages above the price action that's acting as resistance, daily 21, daily 50, basically from about 39 cents to about 42 cents, expect some resistance. So it's not going to be, I don't think it's going to be a smooth breakout. The 3-day 21 currently about 43 cents, 3-day 50 at about 51 cents area. 3-day 200, 95 cents area, pretty far away to even worry about that. Weekly moving averages, 21 and 50 are basically, under the 60 cents. It's about from 49 to about 60 cents. That's where those two moving averages are at. Let's take a look into the monthly here. Monthly, I mean, yeah, this could still be a double bottom on this monthly time frame. But it's, it's basically losing that previous support. It's already lost that previous support. If you can regain, right, about, I would say 45 cents. If you can regain about 45 cents on the monthly candle, then this still looks good. Then it does, then, in that case, it does not look like we're heading towards any newer lows. But basically, all eyes are on this weekly time frame, starting with this daily falling wedge. That will give us a pretty good idea of where things are at. That is basically the upside scenario. Let's take a look into the downside scenario. Since we're already at or very close to all-time lows, if the price action was to continue down this falling wedge pattern, then I can get an estimate of the next lows here, right? If the price action does not break this falling wedge and just continues downwards, then we could start seeing just down towards 30 cents, right? Yeah, about down towards 30 cents, but not exactly there, right? That's given that this falling wedge does not break. If it does break, then we're gonna have to rechart it, and we can revisit this market later on if enough of you guys want to see it. So do like, subscribe, comment if you guys do want to see more of Mina. Now, if you guys have made it this far into this video and don't already have a Webull account but want to get some free stocks, make sure to check out my referral link down below. They're still giving away free stocks valued up to $3,000. When you guys open an account and deposit 100 US dollars, terms and conditions do apply. I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up with my referral link down below. So check it out. I did enjoy using Webull as an exchange to trade both cryptos and stocks, but with any exchange, I would not put most or all my money in any one exchange. I personally diversify my funds across different exchanges. So if that makes sense to you, check it out. My referral link down below. Now let's go to Bitcoin here so I can share just, my personal opinion and sentiment on this market, which I have done already for the past 2 posts. So I'm going to keep it short here. My personal sentiment on this market for Bitcoin and as well as most of the crypto markets is still bullish until this weekly pattern here, this pattern on the weekly time frame here breaks, right? 24.7K currently would be the breaking points. Let's see if the weekly 50 SMA is able to actually carry the price action upwards, because it is coming to approaching this bottom trend line of this pattern here, this rising channel, which is another scenario here. So, my sentiment still bullish overall on this market until it breaks 24.7K. That confirms this breakdown of this catastrophic target here, 17K area. I am long and short on some altcoins, depending on their setup, right? I am not trading Mina at this moment, but if you guys want to keep seeing Mina, do like, subscribe, comment. I will continue to bring you guys follow up on this post if enough of you guys want to see it. Now that's it for this post and should be for today. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day and see you guys later.